little friends and parents. Today we are going to learn 4 times table. We have a unique trick to learn 4 times table easily. Come, let's get into the video.
Now for tips of 4 times table, you need to draw a mountain figure and you need to draw circles on its peak and its bottom like this. Now you should write 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 in each of the ups and downs of the circles. Now for the first arrow you need to fill 0. In the second one you need to fill 1. For the 0 you need to fill 2. You need to take that 2 for the next peak and you need to write 2. Then for the bottom you need to write 3. For the 0, you need to increment. So it's 4. You carry forward that 4 to the next one. That way it goes. So, you need to fill 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 in each of the circles. Then, you need to fill 0 in the first arrow. In the second arrow, you need to fill 1. And when a 0 comes, you need to increment. If you have 1, it is incremented to 2. From there, you need to carry forward for the next peak. In the next peak, you will carry forward 2. Similarly, the flow will go till end. Hope you are clear. Now, can you crack this simple activity where you already know 1 into 4 and 4 into 1 are equal. Similarly, for 4 into 12 and 12 into 4 are equal. Superb, wonderful. Shall we do activity for 4 times table?
Yes.
Tell me the 4 times table.
Yes. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 3 fours are 12. 4 fours are 16. 5 fours are 20. 6 fours are 24. 7 fours are 28. 8 fours are 32. 9 fours are 36. 10 fours are 40. 11 fours are 44. 12 fours are 48.
Superb, wonderful. Shall we do an activity with 4 times table?
Yes.
Now we are going to do activity for awesome 4 timetables. In the task 1, you need to circle the multiples of 4. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good, great job. We have done with the task 1 of awesome 4 times table. Now we are going to move to the task 2. In this task 2, you need to circle the numbers in 4 times table from smallest to the largest. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Wonderful. You have circled all the 4 times table in the leaves. Now, can you write them in the order from smallest to the largest on the elephant's trunk? Wonderful. We are done with the task 2. Now let's move to task 3. Task 3, you need to count by 4s. Count the peanuts by making groups of 4 and then make the table sum by filling in the boxes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Superb, wonderful. We are done with the task 3. Now we are moving to the task 4. Task 4 is going to be write the elephant. Write the answers to the sum on the ladder and climb to the top. Are you ready?
Yes.
So, we have done with the awesome 4 timetable. Give a star for you. Great job. Wonderful. Shall we see an activity with 4 times table now?
Yes.
This is going to be a road activity. Are you ready?
Yes.
4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. Then 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. 4 elevens are 44. 4 twelves are 48. Good. Shall we see with a road driving activity?
Yes.
Wow.
Boom, boom.
4 ones are
4,
4 twos are
8,
4 threes are
12,
4 fours are
16,
4 fives are
20.
make a U-turn. 4 sixes are
24,
4 sevens are
28,
4 eights are
32.
make a U-turn. 4 nines are
36,
4 tens are
40,
4 elevens are
44,
4 twelves are
48.
wonderful. We are done with the 4 times table. Happy learning. Stay tuned.
Like, share, and subscribe to Farigama Kids Fun.